Hi friends, today we are in the greenhouse. Can you see me? Can you see me? Is this better? All right, so today we are in the greenhouse, y'all. Why are you in here? Get out. Today this is a brand new greenhouse. I had posted a video of Layla Bug and I building a greenhouse, and my husband didn't like that one, y'all. I told y'all it has to be aesthetically pleasing or it's not gonna last in the family. So we had to get rid of it, but this is kind of an upgrade. This is much better. I can come in, y'all. I'm standing straight up. What is going on? Get out. I know it feels good in here. Actually, it's kind of hot. Like, you see me sweating? It's hot in here. But this greenhouse sits on the side of my house, and this part of my house, or this location, gets sun a lot of the day. So this is so perfect for what we need it for. I love the fact that it came with this shelf, so I'm able to store my seedlings in. So if you watch one of my previous videos, I was talking about how I went to a wedding, and I ain't feel like putting them away. I ain't feel like putting the seedlings away, and I didn't. And I was scared, y'all, because it was like 38 degrees. But anyway, one thing that I've learned is that you got to be consistent in the garden, and I was not consistent with that, and I took a big risk. Because let me show you guys my plant starts. Like, I would have been crying tears if I lost all of this. Like, this is, let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. This is 18 tomato plants. Paying you also 18 tomato plants. 1 2 3 4 7 pepper plants, and a zucchini. Yeah, I would have been crying. I ain't even gonna lie. Like, I would have cried if I came outside and this stuff was dead. Like, but we do have a little bit of damage here. This is cold damage because this was not on there before. So that was the only thing that really showed some cold damage. So I was pretty lucky, y'all. The Lord was on my side. But y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and get these into the greenhouse, and then I will catch up with you guys at the end. If you decide not to stick around and watch me put the things in the greenhouse, go ahead right now and subscribe to the channel, y'all. Join the family, y'all. We have fun around here. Layla Bug will be back. She getting cute today. She's getting her hair done. My mom came over. My mom did some gardening with me. We're going to cook dinner together later. And she's doing Layla Bug's hair right now. So Layla Bug going to be around. I know it's been a few videos without her. But it's just always so much stuff to get done. And if I'm off, I have to get it done. Even though I'll be wanting to wait for her to get home. Sometimes I just got to get it done, y'all. So I'm a bring Layla Bug back. She even said it. She was just like, why we haven't done any videos? And I'm just like, girl, you haven't. I did. Don't tell her though, okay? Anyway, if you're not going to stick around, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends. I call this edutainment. Like, I like to share my things that I've learned over the years of gardening. And like I said, just inspire you guys to put some seeds in the ground. All right? Thank you. I see you guys in the next video. Bye.